Hmm. Kitty on the arm. Yeah, kitty on the arm. That's up on the shoulder. Ooh, whoopsie daisy. Whoopsie daisy. Hang on there. Yes, you good hanger on there. Yes, you are. Yes, you are. Alrighty, well, that's all from Austin, Texas. Right, isn't that right, Puccini? She likes her little perch. So, it's good shoulder workout, I reckon.